Understanding hill of beans in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English expression, hill of beans. This phrase might sound a bit quirky, but it carries a meaningful message in American English. So, if you're ready to expand your vocabulary and grasp some native expressions, stay with us as we delve into the significance of this interesting phrase. The expression, hill of beans, has its roots in American English. Historically, beans were seen as an inexpensive and common food, not worth very much. So, a hill of them? Not considered valuable at all. This phrase is a metaphor for something that holds little to no value or importance. When do we use this phrase? It's typically utilized to express that something is insignificant or worthless. For example, if someone says, "That doesn't amount to a hill of beans," they mean that the thing in question is unimportant or has little impact. Let's see it in action. Here are a few examples. 1. All the money he owns doesn't amount to a hill of beans in the grand scheme of life. 2. Your excuses won't add up to a hill of beans when it comes to the final results. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, often to bring perspective to what really matters. Beware of common mistakes. Don't confuse hill of beans with actual value. It's a figurative expression, not a literal one. Remember, it's all about context and the intended meaning behind the words. We hope this video clears up any confusion about the phrase, hill of beans, and adds a fun expression to your English repertoire. Remember, learning a language is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the colorful expressions that give it character. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.